Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a subdomain in cPanel fast and correctly. So you can manage your projects, landing pages, and clients' website easily. Let's get started. So I'm using Namecheap. So I'll show you how to create a subdomain on Namecheap. Now I'm on the cPanel of Namecheap. To create the subdomain, just go to this domain section. Also, you can search from here, domain. So domain, if you click, it will redirect it to the domain section. And so click on domain option. This is main domain. Now I want to create another one, which is called subdomain. So how to create? Like here is an option, create a new domain. Click on it. What domain you want to create? Write the name. Just I want to create. Okay, so this is the domain name. This is the main domain, and you want to create the subdomain. So this is the subname of the domain. Now click on the submit button. Okay, it will take some time to create the subdomain. Okay, the subdomain have successfully created. Okay, this is the process. Now we can manage the domain and host our website on here, and you can host your website with this domain. Okay, that's it for today. Now you know how to create and use subdomains for your work. If you find this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple digital marketing and web development tips.